crown molded, everybody's favorite. I like to put a coat of paint on before I ever even take it to the customer's house. So that way I can put it up on the wall, cover the nail holes, caulk, and then I can put a second coat of paint on it, and I'm all done. Now we're all set up at the customer's house. This customer's like family. They move a car out the garage, let me use it to set up and do all my work in. This is my setup. Hey, I'm not a trim carpenter, right? So it ain't high level. I got the Makita 10-inch cordless on the Hercules stand. So, and that's my little jig. If anything you see that you want me to make a longer video on, just let me know. This is my little jig I use. It only works for this particular crown. So it comes out perfect. Daryl, also known as the finisher. Pencil check. Hat check. Safety glasses check. Headphones check. Gum check. Let's get busy. I'll show you in a little bit what my platform setup is, because these are 9-foot ceilings. So I got a setup that makes it where it's like I'm working on the floor. But these little clips, I love them. I've been using these for a few years now. It helps you do when you're by yourself doing crown. It helps immensely. The idea is that they screw in, and the idea is that you hang your crown on them, and then once you got your crown in a place where you really want it, then you can go ahead and take them out. And yeah, it does leave a screw behind in the wall, but like I said, that's going to be behind the crown. So the way I start is, well, first, and I'll show you, I did actually go around the room with a mock corner, and draw lines so I know where they need to go in the corner. I always like to do the outside corners first, though. Always. That way I can dial them in, man. Get them nice and tight. This is my platform setup. These are the tall gorillas, allows you to reach the 9-foot ceilings, and that's what it's set up for, the 9-foot height. I got, like I said, 2 of these, and then I got a gorilla step ladder. And like I said, these 3 just allow me to go right around the corner and do everything without coming down. If I didn't have this kind of setup, I don't know, I wouldn't be able to do this by myself. You definitely need 2 people. But between the clips and the platforms, I done turned it into a one-man job, man. And I'm not formally trained. This is just, we're going to start something around here. It's the art of figuring it out. Something that's been lost over the years, that you just figure it out. And guess what? I got a job to do. Somebody hired me to do this crown. I said I could do it. Well, it's time for me to figure it out. So a lot of stuff you'll see me do, it might not be by the book or how somebody's formally trained to do it, but I'm gonna get the same result, and that's guaranteed. So right now I'm just fitting these 2 pieces. I want to get them perfect in the corner, make sure that probably perfect in the 2 corners, and make sure that outside corner is just, it has to be perfect. That's gonna, you walk in the room, that's what you're gonna see, is that outside corner. So I went ahead and put it together all in one piece, which is what I like to do, especially for outside corners. That way you can get it perfect. I told you these clips are great though, man. I'm trying to tell you. Now, and these are adjustable. What I like about these is that, so now I can lift it up and slide the clips up. Oh, these are those corners I wanted to show you, this where you see the line. I'm just not throwing this up here. I actually have a line already on the wall for exactly where I need this crown to sit, so I can fit it into place. let you know we're good. I don't want to put it up yet though. I want to get one more piece, and it's basically going to give me the 3 short walls, and then it'll be just long runs after that. Like I said, if there's something that you want me to show you that I maybe didn't show in this video, definitely let me know. I'll be making more videos about crown and different situations and all that. But if there's something specific that you'd like to know, just leave it in the comments. All right, coping. I still cope manually. I don't use jigsaw for coping yet. And, I like to do it this way still. It doesn't bother me. But this is another one of those things. It's like, do you want to learn how to do this stuff? You want to learn how to do crown? How serious are you? Because I'm not formally trained. I didn't get a job learning how to do it. What I did is I used to go to Lowe's. Well, I would go to Lowe's, and you can buy, if they have broken crown, broken pieces of trim, you can just buy it. They'll let you buy for $1. They just want to get rid of it because nobody wants broken trim. Well, I would go buy it and then take it home, and I'd practice. I'd cut, because I knew it was something I wanted to do was different kinds of trim work. And that's what I did. I would just cut it and just use it to practice over and over and over. Practice, cut it, and then cut it off. Miter another piece, or miter it and cope another piece. Cut it off, cope another piece. Till I learn how to do it. Till I learn how to, when I get it up, put it up on that wall. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. So I take that in there and fit it in, and it'll fit. It should fit perfectly. It won't fit your first time though. I mean, maybe it will. Maybe, some of y'all got skills, but it didn't work that way for me. But yep, that's how it works out. I mean, in a nutshell, and that's my stud finder. To make sure that I nail into a stud so it's not coming down. And I'll, like I said, I'm not showing the whole process as far as finishing or anything. I just wanted to show you how by yourself you can actually do a crown molding job by yourself, and that you don't have to be intimidated by it. It's not the most difficult thing in the world. You just got to follow some simple rules, but it's just like figuring it out for yourself. So what I want y'all to do, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know, hey, if you got a different way that you like to do it. Maybe you got a better, I'm all about finding ways to do it that work better. So let me know. But follow me, man. This is the series I'm calling. It's the finisher in action. So we're gonna, every time I get a job and I'm able to record it, whatever it is. So far, I think I did one putting up cabinets. I think I did another one doing some drywall repair. I do a lot of drywall repair, so I guess I'm up doing that, and just whatever I'm doing. If I can record it, I'm gonna put it up. We're gonna enjoy. So until next time, y'all, stay safe and be blessed.